I see you. Ah!
Alex, I'm headed to work. Make sure all the chores are done on the fridge before I get home.
I will. Wait, why is it still on?
Alex, I have groceries. Come help me bring them in. Alex. Alex. Why?
Houston Police Department, I'm here to see the dead body.
Yes, right this way. Come on.
Oh no, not again.
What?
This is the third time something like this has happened.
What do you mean? Murder?
Looks like we're seeing a pattern with bloody vacuums. We think there's a vacuum murder on the loose. I think it's time to call in the detective.
The woman? She left an hour ago. What did you tell her? She just didn't want to see you. That's right. Let me see the body.
The first thing I'll try is getting fingerprints for results. I'll be back in 15 minutes with results.
I'll watch over the dead body. Okay, I'm done, Juliet. I'm gonna use the restroom. Officer, are you still here? Yeah, I'll be out in a minute.
Where's the vacuum cleaner?
What? How did they get in here?
Officer?
Help!
What happened?
A shot came through the socket and zapped me.
Stay here. I'm gonna call an ambulance.
Okay.
Hello, I'm here for exposure to electricity.
That would be me.
Okay, you can come here. Come on, hurry.
Good news, officer. No long-term damage, but you will have to stay here for a couple weeks.
That's good. That means I get a couple weeks off of work.
Stop! That was not funny. Stay in here and ring the bell if you need any assistance.
Okay, thanks, Doc. What? Oh. Stop. I'm a police officer. You will be arrested.
Ah!
Oh shoot, he's dead.